Over the last 2 decades, a lot of progress has been made in improving the overall health and well being of the girl child. However, it is not enough. Much more remains to be done. It is common knowledge that girls all over the world, including India, face a number of problems during their lifetime. The problems they face are wide and varied. They range from gender inequalities and discrimination to female infanticide and sexual harassment. Every year, October 11th is celebrated as the International Day of the Girl Child in recognition of the challenges faced by the girl child and to curb the myriad threats faced by her. As a part of these various issues pertaining to the girl child, in 2012 it was decided to ban child marriages. In the year 2013, girls were inspired by the slogan that they can achieve anything in the world. In 2014, a plan was drawn to empower adolescent girls and encourage them to work in diverse fields and contribute to all walks of life. In 2015, Vision 2030 was created with a view to protect adolescent girls from abuse. This plan aims to empower adolescent girls from all walks of life. In 2016, the necessary guidelines were put in place to encourage girls to achieve the goals and targets they set for themselves. In 2017, girls were trained on how to handle different crisis situations, focusing on their mental status and the trauma they undergo before and after a crisis. In 2018, girls were trained in identifying their own talents and developing the required skills. In 2019, the Prerana program was launched. This program inspires the girls with the knowledge that they are blessed with immense power and that they were unstoppable. The year of the pandemic 2020 is dedicated to identifying the needs of adolescent girls and to explore the opportunities before them with a clear agenda but a versatile approach. Hedrita H. Force, the executive director of UNICEF, tweeted that listen to the girls, support them, and be their companions until they realize their dreams. The main purpose of the International Day of Girl Child 2020 is to support girls to fulfill their ambitions and realize their dreams. My voice, our equal future is the motto of 2020 in the direction of gender equality and achievement of one's goals. During this year, a campaign for gender equality was also launched to boldly confront the issues of gender equality through a multi-year, multi-partnership campaign. Gender equality is a big problem in front of us that is sometimes not visible. The role of parents, teachers, and the wider community is crucial in achieving gender equality. In my opinion, family plays an important role in promoting gender equality by providing equal opportunities and encouragement to both boys and girls. Both parents should be partners while performing household chores, respecting the views of children and giving them equal opportunities and encouragement is necessary. In schools, textbooks are powerful tools, so The curriculum should be reflect gender equality from the basic level. Teachers should be encouraged to give equal opportunities to all boys and girls in schools, not only in academics but also co-curricular activities. Society should come forward to help both boys and girls to grow into healthy and cultured human beings. Their personal beliefs, values, and attitudes should be respected and taken into consideration. They should both be provided social security. Girls and boys are equal capable. However, many girls still face discrimination and several other kinds of harassment. To this end, Sadri, a women wing of Jnana Saraswati Foundation, has been organizing and conducting girl empowerment programs. Work together with Sadri to empower girls and make them self sufficient. We invite you to take steps together with Sadri in order to achieve gender equality. Thank you.